What's up guys, Grass here from Crazy Station, and today we're gonna unbox a Skullcandy fix. Yeah, first of all, this headphone is not a bud. Okay, as you can see in the picture, it's not a bud. So this is the box. It's just a small box. Okay, I bought this because I don't feel good with the buds. It feels very weird on the ears. It's very like jelly-ish or very mushy in your eardrums. So I kind of like this one, and we're gonna try it out. So at the back, as you can see, the features. It's a deep bass. If you can see that hook design, volume controls up and down, and the track control. Okay, you can also use this for iPod, iPhones, and iPad. Okay, so if you open this front cover, you can see the features written here, the description, and the functionalities. So, and how many clicks, like, I don't know if you can read that. Like, end call is 1 click, play pause is 1 click, next track is 2 clicks, right? And the other side is, I think it's French. Yeah, fonction. So there's a mic in it. There's volume control. So as you can see, it's this one. Okay, we're gonna unbox this and test it to see if it's a good headphone. So let's do it. So here it guys. I used a knife to open the package. There's a tape in here. There's a tape right here. So I popped open the front part because I'm holding the camera in one hand. So I pulled it out. What's in here? So it's this one. So it was facing like that. Okay. So this is the headphone right here. Sorry for my hand. So first, let's see what's this. Oh, that's nice. So this is a pouch or a bag for your headphone. If you don't want it dirty, you can always put it here. Okay, let's see if there's something inside. Too bad, none. So next is the headphone. Okay, I'm gonna take it out. By the way, I'm sorry for the bad quality of the camera. I'm using a iPod Nano. Okay. Is this tape? No, it's not. Okay. I'm gently pulling it out. I don't want to damage it for my first use. Okay. So, and there's a, let's see, what's this? I hope it's a sticker. Okay, open it first. What is this? I don't know what did it. It's nothing. Oh, you can. This is a this is a Skullcandy logo, so you can spray on it. Oh, what the hell? You can spray it in the head. Yeah, it's a stencil, so it will look like a Skullcandy. So yeah, I think that's kind of cool. I'm gonna keep that. So back with the headphones. You got your bag. So as you can see, they are even, not like other headphones, like the one is smaller and the one is longer. No, this one is even. This one is pretty even, yep. And it's very long, right? So that wouldn't be a problem. So as you can see, man, my camera sucks. So it looks good. it's thin, the body is thin, but the earphone is huge, and it got a Skullcandy logo. Hope you can see that. And the volume control. Oh, it's doesn't feel really cheap. Actually, I bought this for 25 bucks. Okay, and it doesn't really feel cheap. Okay, so I'm gonna test it, and then I'm gonna tell you how it sounds. Okay, I'll be right back. Hey guys, we're back, and I just tested the headphone. As you can see, you can hear it. It's connected to my phone. I tested the volume controls and the track control. They're pretty much working on my iPod. In here, in my cell phone, it doesn't, but in the iPod, yes, it does. Even though your iPod is locked, you can still change music or increase and decrease volume. And I believe you can also pick up calls if you're using an iPhone. Okay, so as you can see, you can hear it. And I also tested it in my ear, and it really feels light. It feels good. It's very, very light. Yeah, it really fits in your ears. If you don't have small ears, by the way. My ear is, I'm not saying my ear is big, but it really fits. Like, it doesn't even like move or something like that. It just stays in your ear. So I think that's it for me, guys. And this is an unboxing for the Skullcandy fix. And if you're interested, you can ask questions. Just leave the comment down below. And this is Kraz signing out.